हेलो बच्चों, इन कंटिन्यूएशन with female reproductive system, today we will discuss about the reproductive cycle, in which first of all we discuss about the menstrual cycle. Okay, here we see the flow diagram or bar diagram of menstrual cycle. This menstrual cycle occurs in humans, apes and old world monkeys. Menstruation is releasing of endometrium of the adult females at intervals of one lunar month is called menstrual cycle, and the whole cycle is divided into 28 days. Means menstrual cycle is about 28-day cycle. Here menstrual cycle consists of 3 phases. One phase is menstrual phase, then proliferative phase and then secretory phase. Means menstrual cycle consists of 3 phases. One is menstrual phase, proliferative phase and secretory phase. Actually, menstrual cycle consists of main 2 phases, in which pituitary hormone plays an important role. One on the ovary, that is called ovarian cycle, and another is uterine cycle. So here we see the what happens in menstrual cycle. This is the hypothalamus. When a signal receives a hypothalamus, it releases gonadotropin releasing hormone, which acts on the anterior lobe of pituitary gland. Now the pituitary gland secretes 2 hormones. One is follicle stimulating hormone and another is LH or luteinizing hormone. As we know that follicle stimulating hormone means it works on the growth and development of the ovarian follicles, due to which a mature ovarian follicle, that is called Graafian follicle, is formed. The ovarian follicle secretes estrogen hormone, which is a feminizing hormone and helps in the development of female secondary sex characters, and it also stimulates maturation of the ova and development of uterine epithelium. कहने का मतलब ये है, इस साइकिल को अच्छे से समझो कि जो FSH हार्मोन है ये कहाँ पे एक्ट कर रहा है, ओवरी के ऊपर एक्ट कर रहा है, और ओवा के डेवलपमेंट में ये पूरी तरीके से इन्वॉल्व है। ओवा का डेवलपमेंट जो है वो छोटे छोटे फॉलिकल्स से होता है, जिससे कि एक मैच्योर फॉलिकल बनता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं ग्रेफियन फॉलिकल। यहाँ तक का डेवलपमेंट जो है वो FSH के कंट्रोल में होता है। फिर जब ओवा में बड़े हो जाते हैं, मैच्योर हो जाते हैं, तब ये ईस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन को सिक्रीट करते हैं। ये ईस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन्स कहाँ पे एक्ट करेगा? ब्लड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम के थ्रू ये कहाँ पे पहुँचेगा? यूट्रस में, और यूट्रस में ये क्या करेगा, यूट्रस की जो इंडोमीट्रियम है वहाँ पे खटाखट माइटोटिक डिवीजन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, जिससे कि इंडोमीट्रियम का फॉर्मेशन होने लगेगा। कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर हियर। In next part, pituitary gland also secrete LH हार्मोन that is called luteinizing हार्मोन। अब ये FSH हार्मोन जो है, ओवेरियन साइकिल या मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल जो है, जो 28 दिन की होती है, वहाँ पे FSH का रोल और ईस्ट्रोजन का रोल 1 से 14 दिन तक का होता है। 14th डेज टू 28 डेज अब कौन सा हार्मोन वर्क करेगा, 14 डेज से 28 डेज तक LH हार्मोन। दिस LH हार्मोन stimulates Graafian follicle for ovulation. When ovulation occurs, Graafian follicle is changed into corpus luteum, and corpus luteum secretes progesterone hormone that is called the pregnancy hormone। Means कि ये प्रोजेस्टेरॉन हार्मोन जो है वो 14 से 28 दिन तक काम करता है, एंड इट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्लेसेंटा एंड मेंटेन्स द प्रेगनेंसी। दिस इज द रोल ऑफ पिट्यूटरी हार्मोन इन menstrual cycle। Here you see that under the influence of pituitary, ovary secretes estrogen hormone that acts on the uterus, and another progesterone which also acts on the uterus। Thus the menstrual cycle consists of ovarian cycle and uterine cycle। Now we see in the diagram what happens during the menstrual cycle। Here you see the diagram of the menstrual cycle। Here this is the ovarian cycle, where the follicles develop into mature follicle। This is a mature follicle or Graafian follicles। Graafian follicle in 14th day of the menstrual cycle, under the influence of LH hormone, ovum releases, and this ovum reaches into the fallopian tube, and this Graafian follicle is changed into corpus luteum। This is the corpus luteum, and this corpus luteum secretes the progesterone hormone, and this is the graphical representation of the hormones। So one by one we discuss the hormones of the here we see the clear diagram of the hormones that is secreted during the menstrual cycle। So what happens during the menstrual cycle? So first of all, we already discussed that the menstrual cycle consists of menstrual phase, then proliferative phase, and then secretory phase। तो menstrual phase, this phase lasts for about 4 days in a 28 day cycle। menstrual phase जो होता है ये 4 से 5 दिन का होता है menstrual cycle में, और इसमें होता क्या है कि एंटीरियर लोब ऑफ पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड से LH का प्रोडक्शन कम हो जाता है। आप इधर देख रहे हैं, ये है LH हार्मोन, ठीक है, और ये है आपका मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज। तो ये LH हार्मोन जो है इसका कंसंट्रेशन आप देख रहे हैं कि 0 से 4 डेज में कंसंट्रेशन इसका बहुत ही कम है। मीन्स कि एंटीरियर लोब ऑफ पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड से एलएच का प्रोडक्शन कम हो जाएगा। एलएच का प्रोडक्शन जब कम होगा तो क्या होगा कि कार्पस ल्यूटियम जो है वो डीजनरेट हो जाएगा। कार्पस ल्यूटियम के डीजनरेशन से प्रोजेस्टेरॉन का प्रोडक्शन जो है वो कम हो जाएगा, जिससे इंडोमेट्रियम जो है यूट्रस की वो ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगी और मेन्स्ट्रुएशन स्टॉप्स हो जाएगा। तो दिस हैपन्स इन मेन्स्ट्रुअल फेज। नेक्स्ट, proliferative phase. This phase lasts here, yes, here this menstrual phase, and this is proliferative phase, and this is secretory phase. Here you see the concentration of estrogen hormone is high in proliferative phase, and here the concentration of progesterone hormone is high in secretory phase. तो proliferative phase, this phase lasts for about 14 days in a 28-day cycle. What happens in this? Anterior lobe of pituitary gland secretes FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. This is FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. This hormone acts on the endometrium of the ovary. Sorry, this hormone FSH acts on the ovary, due to which the ova secretes estrogen hormone, and this estrogen hormone from the ovary reaches through the blood circulation into the uterus, where it helps in the mitotic division in endometrial cells, due to which the formation of endometrium layer occurs in proliferative phase of menstrual cycle. And after and 14th day of the menstrual cycle, under the influence of LH hormone, ovulation occurs. Now the Graafian follicle changes into corpus luteum, and corpus luteum secretes the progesterone hormone. Here after 14th to 28 days, the concentration of progesterone hormone is much higher. Now in secretory phase, this phase lasts for about 10 days in a 28-day cycle. Here anterior lobe of the pituitary gland secretes LH hormone, and LH causes ovulation. After ovulation, Graafian follicle changes into corpus luteum, which is responsible for secretion of progesterone hormone, and progesterone hormone stimulates the uterine glands, and it also maintains the pregnancy. This is the whole about the hormonal control of menstrual cycle. Now what happens? Here you see the diagram. These are the developing follicles, mature follicle, that is called Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle after ovulation changes into corpus luteum, and this is the corpus luteum, and this is corpus albicans. Means कि after 14 days, if spermatozoon do not reaches into the uterus, means there is no fertilization. Then this corpus luteum degenerates into corpus albicans. Here you see the uterine cycle. Here the development of endometrium of the uterus. Here this is menstrual phase, then this is proliferative phase, and this is the secretory phase. Now we see the some terms related to menstrual cycle. One is menarche. What is menarche? menarche, this is menarche, menopause and menstrual disorders. One is amenorrhea, menorrhagia, and another is dysmenorrhea. Menarche is the beginning of the menstrual cycle is called menarche. The beginning of menstruation occurs between 12 to 15 years in female. Another is menopause. Menopause, it is a state when a menstruation stops. Generally the age lies between 45 to 50 years in a female. Now we will discuss about the menstrual disorders. One is amenorrhea. Amenorrhea means absence of menstruation is called amenorrhea. Menorrhagia, excessive menstruation is called menorrhagia, and dysmenorrhea means painful menstruation is called dysmenorrhea. And now we will discuss about the estrus cycle. estrus cycle जो होती है ये नॉन प्राइमेट्स मैमल्स में मिलती है, जस्ट लाइक ए काऊ, डॉग इट्सेट्रा. यहाँ पे होता क्या है कि मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल तो होती है, इंडोमीट्रियम भी ब्रेक डाउन होती है, बट इंडोमीट्रियम इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड विद इन द यूट्रस ड्यू टू विच menstruation flow does not occur. And this cycle consists of two phases. One is called estrus phase and another is called anestrus phase. So this is about the estrus cycle. Okay, धन्यवाद, thank you.